Hi everyone, in today's this video tutorial you will learn about the DPI settings in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So in this device, if you want to change the DPI settings and you want to learn about it, I will tell you how to do it. I will show you all step by step. You have to follow them, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's watch the video and learn it.